Hey everyone, this is LJ Housing Market Update. Today is January 16, 2024, and let's get started with our interest rates. These are your national averages for your top scenarios, so top tier scenarios where your credit scores are great, down payment it's more than 20%, primary residence. So you're looking at around for your 30-year fixed rate mortgages around 6.69, and for your FHA, you're looking at around 6%. This snapshot was from the morning here. So these interest rates do go up or down, day by day throughout the day as well. So you want to talk to your loan officer and see what type of loans or the interest rates they are offering you. Okay. But the national averages are around 6.69 for your 30-year fixed conventional. According to your Freddie Mac, this was a survey updated on January 11th. The national averages were 6.66. So you can see that we are hovering around sixes. In late October of last year, we were hovering around 8%. That was the highest. Since then, it started coming down, and hopefully, they do come down throughout this year. But you will never know when is a perfect time to purchase, to lock your interest rate. If you're in the market, you want to make your right decision by talking to the loan officer and see what they have to offer. Okay, let's run an affordability scenario for you guys here. If you are making $125,000 as household income, this could be one person or it could be husband and wife. Then you have your down payment around $80,000, your monthly debt around $400. These are your minimum payments that you have to make on your credit card debt or any revolving debt. We will use today's interest rates averages 6.69 here. Let's say you're looking for a property that has taxes around $8,000 and your property insurance $1,500. You should be comfortably be able to purchase around $620,000 property. With that, you are looking at your mortgage payment around $4,200. And know that this is the DTI that we're using, debt to income ratio, around 45% here. The lower, the better for you. The higher is more riskier for you because you don't want to take all your income and put it towards the mortgage. Okay, so this is your scenario. If you want to run your own scenario with me, just shoot me a message on the social media and we can go through that with you. Your inflation, it's at 3.35% as of December. Okay, so the higher the inflation it goes, the Fed wants to increase the interest rates. When they started coming down, the inflation comes down, the interest rates comes down along with that as well. Okay, the highest inflation rate that we saw was around 9% after COVID, and now is coming down to 3.35 as of December. Next slide, you can see these home prices has been going up in majority of these counties that we serve here in New York. So if you're in the market and you feel like I just want to wait until a couple of more months or wait until springtime or summertime, just know the fact that there will be more buyers just like yourself. So you guys are going to be competing for the same property. So with that being said, you will have more buyers and the prices will go up because it's just more bidding wars. So, if you find a property now and everything else checks off, I would say you go for it instead of waiting. Here are some headlines from different news outlets there. Current mortgage interest rates as of January 16, which we just spoke about. Rates move down for the borrowers. Relaxed mortgage rates mean serious savings for buyers. Rates decrease. We have seen that, but we want to see even increase these interest rates drop even further this year. We don't know what amount will they fall down to, or will they go back up. Only time will tell. But because the Fed said they will cut rates three times this year, hopefully they do it sooner than later. Okay, as we mentioned, bidding wars will erupt. It's already started with some of the counties. It's not happening in every market out there, but you started to see here. Like this article says that listing agents are seeing over 30 offers. It's not the case for every property out there, but just know that there's more buyers available because the interest rates are coming down. Okay. Here's another one here. Fannie Mae single family price home prices climbed 7.1% in 1 year. Guess what is going to happen when there's more buyers? The price is going to go even higher. Okay, let's review a couple of properties that we have as new listings in New York here. The first one is in Woodhaven. We're gonna go with low to high prices. So let's say you're looking, your budget is less than $500,000. It's hard to find a single family, so you might go with a condo or a co-op. So in this case, it's a co-op. It is 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, listed for 439 here in Woodhaven. Next is, let's say your budget is a little bit over 500,000. Maybe you want to go with single family. We have one new property here in West Hempstead listed for 520 on MLS. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Okay. Next is 549, so around 550. This is listed for 549, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms here in Valley Stream. So if you want to take a look at this property, just contact us and we can take you there. Next one is in South Ozen Park, listed for 679. This is 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. So when we see a property like this, if it goes to an investor, most of the time the investor will knock this property down and build a two-family property and sell that for over $1 million or 1.1 or 1.2 million dollars. Next we have is in East Meadow here, listed for 749, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms here. So again, if your price range is in sevens, you guys can contact us and we can show you this property. Next one is listed for $1.2 million. This one is two family, 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. Great for investment as well if you're looking to invest, rental producing property. So this might be a good one for you. Next one is in Whitestone, listed for 1.499. This is 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. If you're familiar with Whitestone area, you know that even single family, two family, all of them are much higher price range compared to elsewhere. And let's say now your budget, which not a lot of people have, but it's over $5 million. If you have that, looking for a luxury property, 8 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms for $5.3 million, guys. We have agents that does only luxury properties. Contact us and we can show you that. Okay. Next, guys, every day we want to show you who's important, who's involved in your real estate transaction. And today, let's go with your loan officer. Okay. Number one is your loan officer that you deal with. Just make sure that they're giving you the best options. They don't want to lose you as a client, but you don't want to stick with them if they're not giving you the best things possible. And how are you going to know that they're giving you the best interest rates, the best lowest fees? How can you compare that loan with others? The way to do it is through a loan estimate. So you go to a loan officer and you tell them, hey, I need a loan estimate. It's going to ask you for 6 different things that will trigger that they have to give you the a loan estimate. So you want to provide them those things and ask for a loan estimate. Then you want to go to the second loan officer and the third, and you want to compare those 3 loan estimates. This way you will have a clear idea who's giving you the best deal and which person that you want to move forward with. A loan officer can really be a deal breaker for you if that person doesn't know what they're doing, or if they're expert in their business, they can really close the deal much faster. So speak to different loan officers and then go with the best one that you feel that is right for you. Okay. Next one is your appraisal. Appraisal, you pay for the appraisal, but the appraisal actually comes from the lender. The lender wants to send someone into the property and make sure that there's no the property value that you're saying matches what they're going to give the loan for. They have to agree to the loan value, to the property price that you're offering, to what they think that the property value is. So it's a good indicator. You want to go with the appraisal with a bank that will give you appraisal for the right amount. Okay. Next, guys, if you're just starting to think about, purchasing 2024, budgeting is your number one concern. You want to, increase your income much as possible, save much as possible, reduce your debt much as possible, and increase your credit scores much as possible. These are the things will get you the best terms and best interest rates with any lender that you go to. Just remember, you don't just need down payment, you also need closing cost. Your closing cost is around 3 to 5% addition to your closing or to your down payment. Make sure you have both down payment and your closing cost. Okay, speak with a loan officer like myself or any of our team members here, and we can help you out. And if you're just starting out and you don't know about your credit scores, and your first target should be that, hey, I want to have more than 580 credit scores so I can have my FHA options. Then if you already hit that, then you want to go to 620. That's going to be for your conventional. Okay, and if you're going with no income loans, then you need 690 or above. So these things matter a lot. These credit scores, let's say you want to add a cosigner and their credit score is 550. Guess what? You're not able to use them because their credit score does not meet their minimum requirements. Okay, 580, 620, 690, that should be your threshold. This is where you want to be at. Okay. Next, guys, if a loan officer tells you, hey, I can give you 5% interest rate in today's market where we just show you the national averages, you have to ask them, hey, are you telling me to buy down the rate? If yes, what is going to cost me and how much money is it going to save me on monthly basis? And then you divide that. Hey, it's going to cost me $4,000 to buy down the interest rate, but it's only going to cost me $42 or $82 savings every month. Maybe it doesn't is not worth it because it's going to take me 4 years to get that money back and have any benefit. So don't just look at the interest rate, look at the whole picture by reviewing your loan estimate. Okay, guys, we are licensed in 5 states here, starting with New York, New Jersey, Indiana, Georgia, and Florida for our mortgages. We have 16 loan officers here. If you need any help with any assistant, just call us and we can help you out. If you're a real estate agent watching this video, guys, at LJ Realty team, we have free tools, free no office fees, no desk fees, and we start your commission at 80% and it moves up with more deals that you do. It's really beneficial for you guys. Just hit us up and we can show you what we have to offer. Okay, that will do it, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you guys tomorrow with a brief video with similar stuff here. So if you're looking to purchase in 2024, contact us for some advice. Thank you so much. You guys take care.